Hey, it's Johnny, and welcome to the Daily Brain Tattoo from Johnny Hates Marketing. I've spotted that I perform better if I'm doing something I like. That's pretty obvious, right? And yet I bet you're doing stuff in your business that you don't really enjoy. I'm not talking about bookkeeping or tax returns. I mean, things that keep your business afloat, like making sales. Without sales, you have a hobby, not a business. So what if you don't like selling, or you're no good at it? Well, how about getting someone else to do it for you? Someone who loves what you do, shouts about it to their tribe, and doesn't get paid unless they make a sale. Well, welcome to the world of affiliates. I've built relationships with over a dozen well-connected folks who are as excited as I am about JHM and who advocate me to their friends, contacts, and clients. In the last 12 months, around 20% of my business has come from affiliates, and it'll be a lot higher next year. In fact, if I really wanted to, I could hit multiple six figures in revenue without making a single sale myself. The truth is, I quite like selling, so affiliates are just the icing on the cake. That's it from me today. Another daily brain tattoo tomorrow. Meanwhile, hop on over to johnnyhatesmarketing.com and check out the Inner Circle.